Don't take no for an answer. Not because every no needs to become a yes, but because sometimes no simply means you haven't found the right opportunity yet. Think about how many successful people were told no before they finally found the path that changed everything. No, you don't have enough experience. No, now isn't the right time. No, it probably won't work. But the people who change their lives are usually the ones who keep moving forward anyway. Because your future isn't determined by the opportunities that didn't work out. It's determined by what you do when the right one finally shows up. At TruPowur, we're looking for people who are ready to build something of their own. You don't have to create a product, you don't have to open a storefront, and you don't have to start from scratch. You can build a business helping commercial customers reduce what they spend on something they already need every single day: energy. TruPowur provides the technology, training, leads, supplier relationships, pricing platforms, mentoring, and back office support to help you get started. Your job is to learn the business, talk with customers, create relationships, and build your book of business one account at a time. And when those customers continue using energy month after month, the income you build can continue compounding. So the next time life tells you no, don't automatically accept it as the final answer. Maybe it's simply time to say yes to something different. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.